How to add friends in WhatsApp. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will teach you how to add friends in WhatsApp. It is very simple and you can do it by following the steps which I'll show you. So first off, what you want to do is head over to your WhatsApp. On your screen, look for a button like this. Click on it. You might have a different version of WhatsApp than me. Here you can see three options: new group, new contact, new community. Click on new contact. Save the contact. I'll name it as example. Last name is not compulsory. Now your contact is saved. Go back. On the top right corner, click on the search icon. Search for the number that you just saved. And now you can see the contact. If you find this video to be helpful, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. After you have subscribed to the channel, please click on the bell icon to keep getting notifications from us. This really helps us to keep making videos like this. Also, share this tutorial with your friends and family to help them out. You can head on to our channel to check out more tutorials like this. Also, comment down below the tutorials which you would like to see. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.